Natural cooling system, manufacturing, sales and distribution. Brisbane, Queensland. With customers demanding cost-efficient cooling systems due to higher electricity prices and more environmentally friendly cooling systems, this established business offers a bright future plus growth potential. Cardiff Air manufactures and sells systems that naturally cool buildings, from large industrial sheds and warehouses to any size family homes. Australia's #1 cooling and ventilation specialist, Cardiff Air produces 3-sized systems for different applications. The Cardiff Air system is the only natural cooling system with patented radial induction or extraction air movement fan. Well known throughout Australia, Cardiff Air systems remove heat, fumes and odours, replacing them with fresh, cool breezes. Cardiff Air has also been a preferred supplier to Queensland Education Department for 15 years and has multiple systems installed in most abattoirs across Australia. Every part of the system is manufactured in southeast Queensland and installed by individual contractors on behalf of Cardiff Air. Everything needed to manufacture Cardiff fans, control boxes and components will be sold with the business. This business is ready for expansion across all 3 markets: domestic, commercial and industrial. The new owner might also bring new items on board, such as a range of heating products as well as different size fan models to suit even more applications.